Windows search sucks.
2 hours later.
After searching for hours and hours, I found this app. Let's go. I put the download link on the description. In here, you need to download the app. You need to download the installer. At first, you need to know that your operating system, your Windows operating system, is 64-bit or 32 bits. You need to right click on this PC, go to the Properties tab, and in here you will find this part, System Type 64-bit Operating System. So you need to download this one. And let me tell you a hint, all of the Windows 11 users are 64-bit users. If you don't see this 64-bit operating system on the Properties tab, you need to download this one. Okay, let's install it. Double click on the file that you download, choose your language and hit the OK. In here you need to hit I agree. Again, in here click on the next. Don't edit this part and hit on the next. Again, hit on install. Okay, all done. The application is installed, and if you enable this checkbox, search everything, it will be run. This is the difference.